Hi friends! Today I want to share with you how to make farmer's cheese. I have more than 5 recipes on my YouTube channel where you need farmer's cheese, and a lot of people ask me where can I get one. And you can make one from milk and culture at home. Culture, the good bacteria, can be found in kefir, Greek yogurt, or any plain yogurt. Okay, let me show you how simple it is. Let's make one. You will need 1 gallon of whole milk and 1.5 cup of culture, and I'll be using kefir for this one. But you can use Greek yogurt or any plain yogurt, whatever culture you like. Pour 1 gallon of milk into a large pot. Add 1.5 cup of culture. Mix it up. Cover the pot with the lid. And this is optional. If you want to speed up the fermenting process, you can warm it up to room temperature. Heat up on low heat for 15 minutes. Now put the pot in a warm place in your kitchen and wait until it ferments. For me, usually this process takes about 48 hours. Give it a mix every 12 hours and check on it. The mixture should be like plain yogurt. It shouldn't be runny, but it will fall off the spoon. And when it looks like this, it's ready to be made into farmer's cheese. Turn the heat to low and set the timer to 1 hour. Mix it up after 15 minutes. It's important to do so because you want the mixture to be heating up on top as well, to be even temperature. After another 15 minutes, mix it up again. And you can already see the cheese separating from the liquid. And after another 10 minutes, you'll give it another mix. And now after 5 minutes, I'm mixing it up again. And you don't have to be exact, just the more it heats up, the more you have to mix, but you don't have to be exact with the minutes. And this is another 5 minutes. You can see how much the cheese is separated from the water. The liquid is very clear, and that's what we need. When we see the liquid is clear, that's when we stop and turn off the heat. The total heating time for me was 50 minutes. But don't ever let the liquid to heat up to boil, because then you ruin the whole process. Turn off the heat and let the mixture to cool off for about 10 minutes. I'll be using this strainer with a larger hole and a cheesecloth to drain all the liquid from the cheese. This will take about 20 minutes, so I like to hang it on my kitchen cabinet door. Simply drain the liquid and the farmer's cheese is ready. And that's it. I'll link some recipes where I use farmer's cheese in the description below. And this cheese can be stored in refrigerator for 5-7 days. And from 1 gallon of milk, you'll have about 2 pounds of farmer's cheese. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for new recipes coming every week, and I'll see you again soon.